So welcome to Morrocco Method, where natural things happen. I'm Anthony Morrocco, CEO, founder of Morrocco Method International. This is the most important thing, is our health is our wealth. So I keep endorsing and encouraging everyone to be as healthy as possible. Of course, natural hair care, skin care, dental care is really critical. Of course, exercising. I've been teaching Qigong for over 40 years. Do yoga, teaching breathing, which is really exciting, from James Nestor. So let's breathe consciously, healthy, happy, and get this physical body, emotional body, mental body, and our energy bodies all united so we can live a really beautiful, joyful life. So this is coming from Ali. Ali's saying, can I use coconut oil instead of your Euro organic oil when using henna? Of course, any nut oil is really good. So we have a lot of different nut oils in our Euro organic oil. But you can use apricot oil, sunflower oil. Any of the nut oils are one better than the other. So yes, use any one or alternate them. Good question. With or without henna, of course. So this is coming from Carrie. She's asking, how do you rinse your hair if you don't want the henna to go down the drain? So our henna is 100% natural. There's no chemicals in it, no additives, nothing. It's all plant-based. So it's okay to go down the drain. So the easiest and fastest way is to get into the shower and rinse the henna out. It would be kind of difficult, but you could get a bucket of water. Since our henna is 100% plant-based only, it's fine to go down the drain. I hope that helps. Okay, this is coming from Nadia. Nadia is saying, I love aloe vera as a topical treatment. Of course, that's in our Blood of a Dragon styling gel and a lot of our products. We love aloe vera. And Nadia is asking, but maybe it's time for me to drink it as well. So, yeah, basically, aloe vera is very healthy. One can go ahead and get it from the health food store or pick it out of the backyard if you have the plants, which is wonderful. So what I do is I basically use apple cider vinegar, raw, unfiltered, organic, of course, and I put in a fresh lemon. Sometimes I grate and put in some fresh ginger, cayenne pepper. So you might want to add those into, or just do the aloe vera plant just as is for a drink. Very healthy. Okay, this is coming from Carla. In regards to hair growth cycles and hair phases, I don't understand how, when I use rice water, my hair sheds less, or even onion juice, once a week alternating. Well, Carla, you've been doing that when you were using just regular salon products or store products that had chemicals in it. So that's why your hair wasn't shedding as much. But now that you're starting, you said, should I stop using them as a pre-poo when starting using Morrocco Method shampoos? Absolutely. Yeah, you don't have to use anything. Morrocco Method shampoos are 100% natural. All the ingredients coming in from all over the world. It's the healthiest shampoo and conditioners in the world. So one doesn't have to pre-do anything. So you can stop everything and anything and just alternate the 5 shampoos, alternate our conditioners. And what I like to do, I've been doing it since the beginning of time actually, they're in my shower and I pick from the right, I shampoo, and I put it back on the left. So the next time I go in the shower, I don't have to think which one. I just pick from the right. The next one, shampoo, put it back on the left. The same with the conditioner. So use in good health. This one's also coming from Carla. Carla has a few questions. So does it matter if you only blunt cut or trim 3 times a year as opposed to each month? No, it doesn't matter. I highly recommend cutting once a season. So that's a must, even if you just trim, like 1/8, 1/4 of an inch. But this to shock the ends of the hair, to seal them and that cutting sends a message down to the hair follicle to produce healthy, strong, thick hair. So minimum 4 times a year. I see women with hair halfway down their back or further, but all the ends are all split, and you can see the thickness goes from 100, 80, 60, 50, 40, 20, even 10%. So you can see a foot of hair on the bottom is only 10 foot thick, 10%, where it should be 100%. That's why for any length of hair, especially growing long hair, one wants to seal off the ends, cut it at least once a season, as much as you want, but at least, 1/8 of an inch, rather than otherwise using it, trimming the hair once a month. So watch our videos. We have lots of videos on how to cut hair yourself on MorroccoMethod.com. This is coming in from Carla. Can the brushing techniques with boar bristle brush be done for afro hair? Absolutely. I've always said hair is hair. No matter if it's thick, fine, coarse, no matter what's happening with the hair, brushing is essential. We have a lot of videos online, MorroccoMethod.com, on how to brush hair. It's critical to get all that excess sebaceous oil out of the nape area, into the crown, into the front of the hairline. So watch our videos. We have great educational videos on how to. Okay, so this is a question coming in from Tanya, and being a hairdresser for half a century. Wow, it's hard to believe. Since the 1960s, this has always been a challenging situation, but it's really easy to take care of if you know what you're doing. Like anything, if you really understand how to deal with a subject, it's easy. If someone does it for the first time, they don't understand, it's difficult. So let's make it easy for you, Tanya. Tanya is saying, I oil my thinning hair to restore the hair growth. However, the liquid Morocco Method shampoos don't rinse out the oil out of the hair. It's true. So oil and water don't mix. And I'm going to get into how to do that. Applying oil is very important for healthy hair and scalp, but the shampoos don't wash the oil out. So I have a dilemma whether I use the oil to strengthen my hair or I use Morocco Method shampoo. How do you rinse the oil out after the treatment, the shampoo? Okay, so here's what we've discovered a long time ago, and I constantly is the only way to do it, is when you use oil on your hair, you get into the shower, you don't wet your hair, because oil and water don't mix. You simply take our shampoo, put it in the hair, brush it in, use our scalp massager if you want, but work the shampoo in dry hair as much as possible, and then rinse it out. And you'll be pleasantly surprised that the oil will come out, and you can repeat a second time. Now your hair is wet, but it's the second time. You can take more shampoo, rub it in, massage it in, scalp massage it in, rinse it out. It's an easy fix if you know what you're doing, right? I'm glad you asked that question. We're getting some really great comments. I'd like to bring in just a few of the comments. So this is from Jenny. Jenny's saying, these questions and answers are very helpful. Thanks, Anthony. I have curly hair too, and I was happy to hear your answer for how to use your products to tame frizz. Well, I'm really grateful to hear that, because hair is hair, and Morocco Method products address any type of hair. I'm going to try what you suggested, and after letting the dragon gel dry, I'll brush it out. That's exactly how I use it. I come out of the shower, put in dragon, styling gel, let it dry, and then I brush it out. It gets nice and soft, but it really holds my hair really well. Or you could just put the dragon gel on dry hair, let it dry and leave it there, it gives you a really strong look. So you have the option of brushing it out or leaving it just as is. I used to be reluctant to brush my hair, but not anymore. Thanks so much for sharing your expertise. Well, thank you, Jenny, for your great comments and positive feedback. We appreciate you and all of our clients. So this is coming from Sandra. Sandra is saying, Lunar calendar is truly unique and powerful. Thank you for making it available for us every month. And it's free on Morrocco Method website. You're most welcome. Be healthy, happy, and strong. Let's make it happen. Our health is our wealth. Namaste. Thank you.